Hi guys, here 7 times 4 is 28 divided by 2 plus 9 times 3. Now this is 28 divided by 2 is 14 plus 9 times 3. Here 14 plus 9 is 23 times 3. Here 23 times 3 is 69 is the wrong answer. As per the order of operation, this 69 is the wrong answer. Now here we are going to introduce that PEMDAS rule from order of operation. Here this is a bracket, this is exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, multiplication divisions are higher priority than this addition subtraction. So we have to do this before this addition. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. For this we are going to follow another rule called left to right. Here left to right is this. So 7 times 4 is 28 divided by 2 plus 9 times 3. Here this 28 divided by 2 is 14 plus 9 times 3. Now here we have addition and multiplication. Multiplication is higher priority than this addition. So we have to do this multiplication before this addition. So 14 plus this is 9 times 3 is 27. So 14 plus 27 is 41 is the correct answer here.